Hello to everyone. I am Rameshwar Rathod from Maharashtra District Jalgaon. I have completed MSc in a mathematics subject. Today I am talking about fraction and types of fractions. So first we discuss what is a fractions, and after that we discuss types of fraction one by one. So what is a fraction? A fraction depends as a part of whole things. What is a fraction? A part of whole thing. It is represented as a equal part of wholes. For example, we cut a mango in a equal 5 parts. So 1 upon 5 is represented as a each part of mango. Each part of mango. So in a fraction, two most important things. First, denominator and numerators. So this is a numerator and this is a denominator. Now some important types of fractions. First, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and equivalent fractions. So we discuss one by one types of fractions. Let us see types of fraction. First type is a proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction is a numerator is always less than denominator. Numerator is always less than denominator is called a proper fractions. For example, in this example, 3 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. In this fraction, 3 is a smaller and 7 is a larger. So this is a proper fraction. Also similarly in example, 7 is a less than 10. So this is also proper fractions. One most important notes in the proper fraction: the value of proper fraction is always less than 1. It is always less than 1. So solve these fractions. This is a 0.7 and clearly this is a less than 1. Second type is a improper fraction. What is improper fraction? A improper fraction is depend as the numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is always greater than denominator. In this example, 9 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. So numerator is larger than denominator and denominator is a smaller than numerator. Similar in example number 2, 10 is a greater than 7. So this is also improper fractions. Two most important notes in the improper fraction: the value of improper fraction is always equal to 1 or greater than 1. So after this solving, the value of this fraction is always greater than 1. Second most important notes: all natural number can be represented in the form of fractions where denominator is always 1. So for example, 7 is a natural number. You can say what is the denominator of 7? So here denominator of 7 is always 1. Similarly in example number 2, 9 is a natural number and you can say what is the denominator of 9? So denominator of 9 is always 1. Now third type of fraction is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of natural number and fractions. It is basically improper fractions. For example, 2, 1 upon 5. Here 2 is a natural number and 1 upon 5 is a fractions. So this is a combination of natural number and proper fractions. Also in example number 2, 3 is a natural number and 1 upon 2 is a fractions. So this is also combination of a natural number and fractions. Friends, here 2, 1 upon 5, it is also right, 2 plus 1 upon 5, and similarly 3, 1 upon 2 is also right, 3 plus 1 upon 2. So both are same. Three important notes, friends: mixed fraction is always converted into improper fraction. For example, 3, 1 upon 2. This is a mixed fraction because 3 is a natural number and 1 upon 2 is a fraction and both combination. So how to write 3 plus 1 upon 2? So cross multiply 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 upon 2. and this is a improper fraction because 7 is a greater than 2. Similarly friends, an improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. So this is the improper fractions. Why? 7 is a greater than 2. Here numerator is a greater than denominator. So if we divided 7 by 2, so 7, 2, 3, 6. So this is a remainder, this is a quotient, and this is a divisors. So friends, if improper fractions, then we can convert it into mixed fractions. First, quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So here quotient is a 3 plus remainder is a 1 and upon divisor is a 2. So 3 plus 1 upon 2, which is also right, 3 1 upon 2. So improper fraction is converted into mixed fractions. And last is a mixed fraction is always greater than 1. Why? Because improper fraction is always greater than 1. So mixed fraction is always greater than 1. Now 4 types is a like fraction. What is like fraction? Like fraction which have a same denominator, are called a like fractions. For example, 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. Here 2 is a denominator of first fraction, also 2 is a denominator of a second fraction. Here both fractions have a same denominator, then we say that 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 are a like fraction. Similarly, in example number 2, all three fractions have a same denominator 7, 7, 7. Then also we say that all three fractions are a like fractions. Now number 5, unlike fraction. What is a unlike fraction? Fraction have a unequal denominator. For example, 7 upon 3, 4 upon 5. Here 3 is a denominator and second fraction have a denominator 5. Then both are not equal. Then we say that 7 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are unlike fractions. Similarly, in example number 2, first fraction have a 7 denominator and second fraction has a 11. So both are not equal. Then we say that both are unlike fractions. Now last number 6, equivalent fraction. When two or more fractions have the same result after simplification, then such a fraction are equal to each other are called equivalent fractions. For example, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4. Here we simplify these fractions, divided the numerator by 2 and denominator also by 2. Then we get 1 upon 2. Therefore, both fractions are equal to each other. Then we say that 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 are equivalent fraction. Friends, similarly 6 upon 8, 3 upon 4, 9 upon 12. First fraction we divided by numerator and denominator by 2. We get a 3 upon 4. Similarly, third fraction we divided by 3, numerator and denominator. So this is a 3 upon 4. Then after simplification we get all three fractions are equal to each other. Then we say that 6 upon 8, 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12 are equivalent fractions. So thank you.